Welcome back to another edition of Tile Time. I'm your host, Bo Daniels, on behalf of Twin Cities Tile and Grout Professionals. So just wanted to kind of show everybody the progress that the crew has made on the tub shower, kind of looking at the shower niche right now. And this is before grout, and we just have a little bit of setting to do on the inside of that shower niche. Where there's no tile there on the inside of the niche. And then all the walls are up on the tub shower. Just kind of getting ready for grout now. Kind of take a picture of the back wall here. Get a shot of that. Once we have this grouted, then everything can kind of be put back in the bathroom. And I will give you a final video of what everything looks like finished. Thanks again for tuning in to Tile Time. See you next time.